high-income skill that companies are desperately hiring for, and you can start learning it for free. There are some amazing free courses that can help you build strong basics. Sounds crazy, but that's exactly what we are talking about today. Hi, I'm Hazel and welcome back to my channel Career Live. With 5 years of experience in digital marketing, I'm here to help you understand career options, skill, and growth opportunities in this digital world. So if you want to explore digital marketing without spending money first, this video is for you. Before we continue, quick note. There's an institute that focuses on real skills and high-paying roles. I have added the link in the description if you want to check it out. Let's start with one of the most trusted platforms, Google Digital Garage. Google offers a free course called Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. This course is super beginner-friendly and covers important topics like SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and online advertising. Plus, you also get a certification from Google, which looks great on your resume when you are starting out. Next, we have HubSpot Academy. HubSpot offers multiple free courses, especially in content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. The teaching style is very simple and practical. If you enjoy content creation or brand building, HubSpot is a great platform to learn from. Another powerful platform is Meta Blueprint. If you are interested in learning Facebook and Instagram ads, Meta itself provides free training modules. You can understand how paid ads work, how brand target audiences, and how businesses generate leads and sales through social media campaigns. Then comes Google Skillshop. If you want to learn performance marketing or paid advertising, this platform teaches Google Ads, YouTube Ads, and analytical tools. These skills are highly in demand because companies rely heavily on paid campaigns for online growth. But here's something very important you need to understand. Free courses are amazing for learning concepts and basics, but digital marketing is a skill-based field. Just watching videos is not enough. You need to practice, create projects, experiment with tools, and build a portfolio to actually become job ready. The smartest way to use free courses is to first explore different areas like SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, or paid ads, and then figure out what interests you the most. Once you find your interest, you can focus on building expertise in that particular field. Also, don't try to learn everything at once. Digital marketing is huge. Start with basics, stay consistent, and gradually build your skills. One of the best things about digital marketing is that it offers multiple career opportunities. You can become a social media manager, SEO specialist, performance marketer, content strategist, or even start freelancing your own brand. So if you have been waiting for a right time to start learning digital marketing, this is your sign. Free resources are easily available, and all you need is curiosity and consistency. And yes, if you are looking for an institute that helps you build practical skills along with career support and high-paying job opportunities, I have added a helpful link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Live. I'm Hazel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.